So hello friends, in this video lecture we will learn about the first chapter of the chemistry of class 10th ICSE, that is periodic table. We will learn in a periodic table periodic properties and variation of the properties. Let us start it. Periodic table. Periodic table is also known as the long form of periodic table, and it was discovered by and the father of the periodic table was Henry Moseley. And periodic table, it has a 118 elements, and the vertical columns are called a group. It has a 7 group. The 7 vertical column called a group and horizontal rows called a periods. Then introduction of the modern periodic table is that modern periodic table, it is a table which classifies all the known elements. It means that periodic table can be classified all the known elements in accordance with their properties. According to their properties, not their other things. According to their properties in such a manner that elements with a similar properties, all the elements with a similar properties are grouped together. It means that we will take a one elements and one group or periods also, its properties are same, then we will take a similar properties and will group together in the same vertical column, and dissimilar elements are separated. It means that the elements that are dissimilar, that will be separated in other. Then the 115 known elements are arranged in the periodic table in order to increasing the atomic number, and it means that the vertical column are called a group and horizontal rows called a period. So 18 vertical column called a group and 7 horizontal rows called a period. Then in this video lecture we will also learn about the scientist that can give her law according to the modern periodic table. Some should be right, and some points, so some give a statement, and some statement should be a right and some statement should be wrong. Then started above. Firstly, we'll start from the Dauvergne triads. Dauvergne triads. In 1817, Dauvergne classified elements. In 1817, Dauvergne can classify the elements with a similar chemical properties and into a group of three called triads. Into a group of three called triads. It means that he can give her his law. It means that Dauvergne triads. Dauvergne can give the law that is triad. What does mean by triad? Triad is nothing but it is the group. It is the group of three called a triad. It will give the formula, that is the if we take a three elements, first, second, third, that is A. Let first is equal to A and second is equal to B and third is equal to C. We will take a three elements according to triad, that is A, B and C. If you find the middle elements, that is B, so what we can do, we will do B is equal to atomic mass of A up plus atomic mass of C divided by 2, then it will be equal to our B. But this law is not equal in each and every element according to in the periodic table, but after some element this law was failed and Dauvergne triads what also failed. Then he noted that the Dauvergne triad law was acceptable for some elements, but other elements it should be not acceptable. Then her law is failed. His law was failed after some elements. Then he noted that the atomic mass of the middle element. What Dauvergne tried, Dauvergne noted that the atomic mass of the middle element in a triad is the arithmetic mean of other two. I also, but we will recall at a second time, that is look at the example, that is Na, Li, Na and K. If we add Li plus K and it will be divided by 2, then it will become out your 23, and 23 is equal to Na. Then you can easily observe that the law was right in this element in these three triads. But we will look this example carefully. But this law was applicable for lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, strontium, barium. Then next one is chlorine and Br and I. I means what, your iodine. Then it will be applicable for these, only these elements. Other elements, if you want to take the other elements according to this law, then his law was of failed at this place. So friends, these are the basic concept of the modern periodic table. In the next video, we'll learn about the Newland law of octaves, and after we learn about other scientists. So thanks for watching.